Hello children, good morning. Welcome to the online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. I am Joyce, your maths teacher. I hope everyone is fine. In the last class we have learned about addition and subtraction of money. I hope you have written the notes and completed the exercise problems that I attached along with yesterday's video. So today we will discuss about multiplication and division of money. You know children, it is very essential to learn money related calculations because money is an integral part of our lives, isn't it? Now we know how to add and subtract money, right children? So today let us learn how to multiply and divide money. So first let us learn multiplication of money. I hope everyone knows the multiplication table as well, right? Yes, because without knowing multiplication table, we can't do multiplication. So you must learn the multiplication table, right? Multiplication of money is done in the same way as multiplication of ordinary numbers. We know how to multiply two numbers, isn't it? Yes. Here we are going to learn how to multiply money. We know the place of dot in money related calculations is very important. You must remember to put the dot in the correct place, that is before the second digit from the right. We know the number to the right of the dot shows the paise and the number to the left of the dot shows the rupees. So this is very important. Okay, I told you multiplication of money is done in the same way as multiplication of ordinary numbers. So let us understand this with an example. The cost of one pencil is 2 rupees and 50 paise. Then what is the cost of 5 such pencils? How do you find out the answer? See children, the cost of one pencil, that's equal to 2 rupees and 50 paise. We have to find out the cost of 5 such pencils. We know the cost of one pencil is 2 rupees and 50 paise. When we add this amount 5 times, we will get the total cost of pencils. We learn repeated addition is known as multiplication. So to find out the answer, let us multiply this amount with 5. So first we have to write the amounts vertically like this into 5. Okay children? Yes. You know multiplication of money is done in the same way as multiplication of ordinary numbers, right? So let us start. First we will multiply 5 with 0. What is 5 into 0? Yes, 0. So let us write here 0. Then what is 5 into 5? Yes, 5 into 5 is equal to 25. So, let us write here 5 and this 2 is carried over. Right children? Yes, then multiply 2 into 5. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Then 10 plus 2, 12. So, let us write here 12. Then the next step, that is a very important step. What is that? Yes, you have to put the dot in the answer. Tell me children, where will you put the dot? Yes, before the second digit from the right. That is 1, 2. So, let us put a dot here. So, the total cost, that is the cost of 5 pencils is rupees 12 and 50 paise. The total cost is 12 rupees and 50 paise. Is it clear? You must remember to put the dot in the correct place, that is before the second digit from the right. We know the number to the right of the dot shows the paise and number to the left of the dot shows the rupees. So in this way you can multiply the money. Let us solve two more examples. First we have to write the numbers vertically like this. The first one, 9 rupees and 50 paise into 6. So let us start. First we will multiply 6 with 0. we know 6 into 0 is equal to 0. Then 6 into 5. What is 6 into 5? Yes, 6 into 5 is equal to 30. So, we write 0 here and 3 is carried over. Okay, then we multiply 6 into 9. What is 6 into 9? Yes, 6 into 9 is equal to 54. Then we add 3. So, 54 plus 3 is equal to 57. Then we have to put the dot here. That is before the second digit from the right. 1, 2. So let us put a dot here. So our answer is 57 rupees. Here there is no paise. Okay. The next one. 5 rupees 75 paise into 9. I told you that multiplication table is very important to multiply numbers. Without knowing multiplication table, you can't multiply. Okay, then we have to use the table of 9, right? So let us start. First we have to multiply 9 with 5. What is 9 into 5? Yes, 9 into 5 is equal to 45. So let us write here 5, then 4 is carried over. Then you have to multiply 9 with 7. What is 9 into 7? Yes, it is 63. And here we have a carried over, that is 4. So 63 plus 4 is equal to 67. So let us write here 7, then 6 is carried over. Then 5 into 9. What is 5 into 9? Yes, it is 45. 45 plus 6, we get 51. So let us write here 51. Then we have to put a dot. Where will you put a dot? Yes, before the second digit from the right. So 1, 2. So let us put a dot here. So the answer is 51 rupees 75 paise. Is it clear, children? I hope you have understood how to multiply the money. Next, let us learn division of money. You know, children, division of money is done in the same way as division of ordinary numbers. We know how to divide two numbers, isn't it? So here, let us learn how to divide the money. For example, we have to divide 45 rupees by 9. Here we can use long division method. Let us take the first digit 4, which is smaller than 9. So we can't divide. So let us consider the next digits too. Let us consider the number 45. See, children, here we have to use the multiplication table of 9, right? Then tell me how many times does 9 goes in 45? Let us see. 9 into 1 is equal to 9. 9 into 2 is equal to 18. 9 into 3 is equal to 27. 9 into 4 is equal to 36. 9 into 5 is equal to 45. So let us write here 5. That is 9 into 5 is equal to 45. Then subtract, we will get 0. So our answer is 5 rupees. So let us write here rupees 5. Is it clear, children? Yes. Let us do one more example. 204 rupees divided by 6. So we can use the long division method. That is 204 divided by 6. Let us consider the first digit, that is 2, which is smaller than 6. So let us consider the next digit 2. Let's consider the number 20. Then tell me how many times the 6 goes in 20. Here we can use the multiplication table of 6. That is 6 into 1 is equal to 6. 6 into 2 is equal to 12. 6 into 3 is equal to 18. 6 into 4 is equal to 24. Here the number 20 is smaller than 24. So we can't take this number. So let us take 6 into 3 is equal to 18. So we can write here 3. Then multiply 6 into 3 is equal to 18. So let us write here 18 and subtract. Can you subtract 8 from 0? No. So let us regroup. So this 2 become 1 and this 0 become 10. Then tell me what is 10 minus 8? Yes. 2. 1 minus 1, 0. See children, here 2 is smaller than 6. So let us bring down the number 4. Then 24. We know 6 into 4 is equal to 24. So let us write here 4. Then multiply 6 into 4 is equal to 24. Subtract, we will get 0. So our answer is 34. Rupees 204 divided by 6 is equal to rupees 34. See children, in this way we can divide the money. So children, today we have discussed about multiplication and division of money. I hope you have understood today's class. I have attached notes of lesson and a worksheet along with this video. You have to write down the notes and do the exercise problems in your notebook. So see you in the next class. Till then, bye.